is for Hyundai I20. This is volume button, home button, back button, navigation, radio, equalizer, radio, music, Bluetooth calling. This is a Gorilla Glass, full HD IPS display. Bluetooth, local music, navigation, Google Maps, online or offline, both you can use through Wi-Fi hotspot, video. Alvin calculator, calendar, car settings, sound settings, system information, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, canvas 3.0, factory setting, car setting, Android settings, GPS direction, volume settings, media call and radio volume, brightness, you can adjust brightness over there, navigation, Google Maps is working, steering wheel function control, logo settings, you can select Hyundai logo settings there, and this is other settings, screen sharing, handbrake function, reverse camera settings there, downloads, file manager, manual. You can read all manual there before starting the system. This is phone mirror link. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, YouTube, USB DVR, front DVR. These are settings, Wi-Fi, and all Android settings there. Same like phone at Android phones. Bluetooth is over there. Settings, car setting, all video output. So overall, this is our system for Hyundai I20. If you want anyone want for your car, so contact us at 83830 62132. Thank you. Thanks for watching us.